Hi, I'm Antariksh. I practice Ayurvedic acupressure, Marma Chikitsa, and auricular therapy. So, today we are here to talk about how to manage hypertension or high BP through Marma. Marma is a very ancient system of healing by stimulating pressure points on the body. This is different from the Chinese acupressure that we are aware of, and it dates back as old as that of Ayurveda. So, there are three marmasthalas that we are going to be stimulating today for hypertension. One is called Talahridaya, which is on the palm. Second is Kurpara, which is on the elbow. And third is Sthapani, which is also known as the third eye. So we're going to start with Talahridaya of the left hand. It is important to stimulate only on the left hand for hypertension. So Talahridaya, if we trace this line of the index of the middle finger, where the middle finger ends and the soft portion of the palm begins, that is where Talahridaya is located. So we're going to stimulate that with the tip of the thumb so that we can go deeper into it. So either you can stimulate it like this, or you can stimulate it like this and keep the entire apparatus on your lap or on a table. So we're going to stimulate this 18 times with a regular slow pace, like this. 1, 2, 3, 18 times. The second marma that we're going to stimulate is called Kurpara, that is located on the elbow. So the way to find Kurpara is put the tip of the thumb on the elbow, then we are going to put the index finger as far as we can stretch along the line of the elbow joint, and then we are going to put the middle finger next to the index finger. Now we'll remove all the fingers, leaving the middle finger in place, and just opposite to that we'll put the thumb. So thumb is here and the middle finger is here. Ensure that your arm is straight and the palm is facing towards the sky. Now we'll press both of them together like this. It's important that you press it like this instead of making your finger like this. It's important to make a hook of both the thumb and the middle finger in such a manner that you can go deeper into the flesh, right? So that is very important. Again, stimulating both the sides 18 times and with a very slow but firm pace, like this. The same we will do on the right arm, but I'm only showing it on the left. The third and final marma for hypertension is Sthapani. Now this is located in between the two eyebrows. If you palpate this entire region from here to here, you'll find a depression right in the center between these two eyebrows. Now this has to be stimulated with a very gentle pace and very gentle touch. So we're going to use the tip of the right hand of the thumb to stimulate this region, and what I normally do is that I put the rest of the fingers and rest them on the forehead so I can take pressure off my thumb and then regulate it as I want. So once you put the fingers over the forehead, your pressure is taken from the thumb. So now, locating the right area, we're going to press and release. What you can also do in this case is that you can keep your eyes closed and ensure that the back is straight. Your head is in line with the back. That is very important for Sthapani. Now just put your thumb in right place and gently press. The pressure would be like the pressure you use to stimulate the eyeballs, not more than that. So when you press, it will be gentle pressure. When you release, it will be mild pressure. Do not release the thumb from the skin of the forehead. So do this 18 times, and when you're done, gently open your eyes. So these were the 3 marmasthalas that are very important in managing hypertension. Ensure that you stimulate the entire set of 3 marmas not more than 3 times, and give a gap of at least an hour before and after having a meal. Have good health and enjoy your life. Take care.